So YouTube, I planned on doing another video, but my kit came in from school, so the video I'm gonna do is the kit that I got. Nothing really special, but share with you guys what I received in the kit. And then the video that I had planned, I just put it off till next week. So first thing I have out, one of the things I have out is this little mannequin head holder. Place this on the chair. Like so, boom, boom. This ain't a barber's chair, but you get the gist. It's one of the items that came with it. As you can see, guys, I still got my smock on. Came doing this video straight. As soon as I got back to the crib, go over a few things. I don't know if I'm gonna go with everything that's in the kit, but yeah. So got this curling iron. Boom, I used this today, did some curls. Make sure a clip of that. If I do, this is the clip. We got this little comb brush or brush type brush. Got this book. Knock these out real quick. I don't even know how much storage I got on my phone. The Art of Clipper Cutting. Boom. We got a manicure kit. Guys, check that out. Yep. We got some butterfly clamps. Boom. We have, this is a set of combs. Boom, some combs like that. I got a whole bunch of them. I don't even really need these. I said a whole bunch. I really don't got a whole bunch. What's this? I don't know what we use this for, but I'm pretty sure I'll find out. Got the Sanex dispenser for the neck strips. It might have some neck strips in it, but boom. Here's a pack of neck strips. This little package right here got the shears in it. Guys can see that. Boom. Got two pairs, the shears, regular shears, and the thinner shears. It's like a holder. I don't know what this, but it's like some oil right here. Nice little case to it. Ninja Swordsman stainless steel. That's the name on it. We got some cuticle oil, milk and honey. Another brush right here. As far as clippers, we got this set of trimmers. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thingamajig set up. Might get a cut today or tomorrow. Excuse me. Funny story. I got a cut today. A kid. I probably say that for later on in the video, but also got the 76ers. I don't even know if I'm gonna use these. If I do, I'm probably gonna get the 5-0 blade on here so I can use that. The balled out. Got a Barber Kit. May or may not use that. I already got two cakes myself that I purchased. Got a brush. Got a spray bottle. We got a small, large pick. I might use that personally. Latex gloves. Got a pack of gloves myself. I don't know. May not use that. Might have to stay board. Got a mirror. I don't know if I'm gonna use that. I don't know if I want to bring it in the shop, get it lost. There's another handle to the little mannequin holder. I got two Debras. Yes, sir. Two of them things, man. Guillotines. Two Debras. Let's see, we got another pack of combs. You don't need me to bring them out. I don't really care about those. Got these little files. Also got some duck bill clips. Got some true wave end papers. Yes, sir. For the roller sets. Got some wall legends. I am legend. I'm talking about, so, boom, you also got this Ultra Elite Supreme 1600. It's a blow dryer. Yes, sir. Got this small brush. Boom. Got this soft hand. Extra deep manicure bowl. Go in like that, like boom, boom. Got this thingamajig. Got the shampoo cape. Got got another type of bowl. I don't know what I'm gonna use. Let's see what we got. We got these rods. Probably gonna need it for the state board as well. Oh, this thing done moved around. I guess it's big round in there. Got a straight razor handle. May or may not. I'm probably gonna use this. I got one myself. If this one is better, I'm gonna use this one though. Got this 3-in-1 thingamajig. And then this big old bag that all my stuff came in. Well, big old bag that my stuff hold. You see, I got some more combs for the Oscar 76. We got the 2-blade, got the 1A, and then the 1.5 that came with it. Like I said, I probably only gonna use that if I get a 5-0 blade. It's also got these combs. Boom, boom, boom. And that is pretty much it. Alright, so the two things that I forgot to mention is I don't know what it's called, but it's a clip. It goes on your cape, whatnot. May or may not use this. Like I said, I already got capes. I might use them though, on like smaller. I don't know. I may or may not use it. And also this Almond Professional Massage Cream. That right there. But these are the two things that I forgot to mention. They was like in my bag, not where everything else was at. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it for the kit. As far as the kit goes, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, give me a like. If you have any comments, go ahead and drop them in the comment section. And if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Peace. See you guys next week.